Hello, my name is Jessica. Welcome to my channel where I post beauty and art-related content with a tinge of anti-consumerism. If you are into that sort of thing, please consider subscribing, liking, and or commenting. Doing any of those things really helps to support me and my channel, and I appreciate it a whole bucket load. Today's fun fact about me is that I am a super competitive person. And I always have been. I like to win in competitions. And I like to try and outdo myself anytime I do anything. So, that's probably obnoxious for lots of people, but oh well, it's part of my personality. So, I love to play board games so much, and I love to win board games and card games and video games and any kind of sport that I'm playing. I was like this as a child as well, and anytime someone older than me, if it was my parents or my babysitters or an older kid at school, would let me win games to make me feel good, I would get so upset. So if I ever am playing a game with you, don't let me win, because I want to beat you for real. Okay, let's get into the video. In today's video, I am doing the Draw My Makeup Challenge with my friend Brianne. She has an excellent YouTube channel and Instagram. She is a beauty blogger extraordinaire. She pumps out content like nobody's business and has very informative tutorials and reviews, and she's an excellent human being. So if you have not subscribed to her or followed her yet, please go do that. And she gave me this super cute makeup to recreate, and she also instructed me to do a dewy base on my face. That was fun to say. And I already did that because doing it on camera feels like a waste of time. Your time, mostly. But I'm going to tell you what I used. It's like the same thing I use all the time. I'm so glad she asked me to do dewy skin, because that's my jam and basically what I do every single time I do my makeup. So my go-to favorite foundation is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. I am in the shade L4. And then to highlight my face and kind of cover up my dark circles, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation in the shade Soft Ivory. And, oh, I forgot, I used the e.l.f. Putty Primer today. And I used the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in the shade Amber to kind of contour the cheekbones, the double chin, baby, and try and make my nose look different. I don't know if it does, but I tried. I put my favorite bronzer on. It is the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Dolce. That is correct. And then to try and make myself look as shiny and dewy as possible, I used my ColourPop Flexitarian Super Shock Highlighter. Great. We did it. We can move on. So, here's the photo again of the makeup Allie drew for me. I'm going to do a little tutorial of it right now. Let's do it. I'm trying to decide if I should start with the mauve color or the green color. I think the mauve will be a lot easier, because if I do the green and then I like accidentally blend it into the mauve, that's not gonna be my jam. So let's do this. In order to create that mauve-y tone that the lovely Allie has instructed me to put on my lid, gosh darn, I'm going to be mixing two shadows. One is from the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. This guy right here. It's called Hush Hush. And I'll be mixing that with this purple color from my Nomad Cosmetics Tokyo Harajuku palette in the shade Takanoko Zoku. So sorry if I did not pronounce that correctly. But I'm just gonna dibble dabble back and forth between the two of those and put it all over my lids, y'all. Sometimes my words just get stuck, or then I repeat them to make myself feel better. See? Sometimes I mess up my words and then I just like repeat them to make myself feel better about it. And it doesn't work. Alright, I am alright with that shape. I'm not super mad about it. Let's do the green. Just trying to decide how I want to do the green now. If I want to like put some tape down and make myself less scared. I can't believe I just said it like that. Yes I can. That's how I talk in my head. Yeah, let's put tape down. Brought it in for a reason. For that deep green shade that is outlining that mauve shadow, I am going to use the shade Tank from my Jess Elf Collab to the Rescue palette. I love this shade. It is a great deep green. I feel like it needs to be just a little thicker to give more impact, but not too thick. Scared of getting out of hand. I'm gonna take a teensy little detail brush and kind of swoop a little bit of that green shadow inward. Okay, I'm done. It's good. It is a good thing to me. I should take the tape off on camera. Let's see. Looks good to me. There we go. All right, I'm going to do the other eye off camera again to not waste anybody's time, and then we'll come back and finish the face together. I'm back with my eyes completely done. I think they're looking pretty stinking cool. Now I need to do some sort of MacGyvered mauve lip. I don't have a perfect mauve lipstick in my collection, so I'm just gonna do my best. I'm going in with a ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Third Eye to start out. This is what the shade looks like. This is somewhat mauve-y. I'm gonna add a little bit of purple to it to make it more of a purple mauve instead of a pinky mauve. We'll see how it goes. Oh, I'm using my Milani lipstick in the shade Sangria. That ain't bad. Part of me wants my lips to match my eyes exactly, but I'm also horrified that if I do that, I'll look dead as heck. So, I don't know. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put the eyeshadow on top of my lips, and if I hate it, I'll just take it off. That's cool. It's super moody. I need to fix that lip line though. It is horrendous. Well, I finished the look. Here it is. I think this look is so absurdly cool, and Allie, thank you so much for giving it to me to do because it's awesome and so like grungy and spooky and perfect for fall and Halloween, and it's getting me so excited for autumn. Let me tell you what I did to finish the face. Actually, I hardly did anything, but I'm going to tell you about it anyway. I used my Burt's Bees Hydrating Facial Mist as a setting spray for the first time, and what I actually did was I like soaked my beauty sponge with it, and then I dibble-dabbled it all over my face to kind of rehydrate everything. Then with this wet sponge, I dipped into my ColourPop highlighter again, and then amped it up all over the face one more time to look absolutely as dewy as possible, and I think it really worked. I'm very pleased with that last step, so I wanted to share it with you. I think I'm going to do that again. I like looking dewy, and this seems really nice. All right. That's it for me today, folks. Go check out Allie Brianne. I will link her channel down in the description box. Please have a good day or night wherever you are. Take good care of yourselves and others, and I will see you all again soon. Bye-bye. No, don't like that. Ooh. Ooh, I should have eaten before I started filming. What am I thinking? Adios, Google Home. Honey, you can't make noise in the background. It's gonna be on the video. Honey, Roberto. Okay, how do I start this thing? Wow, I've been doing this nonsense for 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Sorry, babe, before you sing.
Huh?
Before you start, what's the song like? Yeah, I hope you took the poison so you drink.
Is this a Lumineer song? Oh, hold on. I know. Yeah, that's a good. Yeah, it wasn't easy to be happy for you.
Oh my god, literally, the whole line is this, it wasn't easy to be happy. Thank you. That song's fire.
It is good. Those darn AirPods, man. Okay. Okay, just talk. With a tinge of not a tinge of consumerism. Okay. Let's finally start this thing.